What's up, boys? We caught another win on our XFA. We've been doing really, really well recently. It's kind of crazy. Like, I never really thought I'd be in this situation, to be honest. I mean, I knew it'd be at some point, but like, it just came so quick, and I feel like I'm now like a consistently profitable day trader. It's crazy. But let's just go over this trade. This trade lasted 13 seconds. I made I made $422 in 13 seconds. That's just ridiculous. Like, and that's gonna translate over to real money at some point when we get a payout, right? Like a part of that's gonna go straight to my wallet, which is insane. I mean, let's just get into it though. So let's see. It's been a minute since I've looked at the charts, so just give me a second. Um, I just saw that we were reversing off of I think this is 1 a.m. Yeah, so we swept sell side liquidity here. We had draws higher. We had 1 a.m. High. We had London high and this 4 hour low, like 4 hour fair value gap, right? I just marked it out in a line instead of making an entire gap. But as you can see, there's a gap right here. And we also had 15 minutes to cover through there. As you can see, there's a 15-minute right here, unfilled 15 right here. And so those were my draws for today. I wasn't really expecting to go any lower. Honestly was just expecting buys today. I mean, if we ran lower, I could have taken a continuation down to like these lows right here. But I mean, again, I was fully expecting reversal, and that's what we got. So let's just go over it. Market opens here. We come down, we sweep sell side liquidity, and then we start like this is a massive V-shaped recovery. Like this is a crazy set of candles. Like it's just so much volume through here. I was trying to catch a trade up to 830 highs, but we never had a pullback. So I ended up not doing that. But my next target was this unfilled, right? And we didn't end up getting any entries that I liked through there. And I was a little skeptical to take a trade up to up to this other. I think it was either drawn liquidity or unfilled gap. I'm almost certain it was an unfilled gap. But let me double check. Yeah, it may have just been a drawn liquidity. My bad. But there was two 15 minutes. There's one here and then one here. But let me go back to the 30-second. Yeah, so I noticed that we didn't really get stopped up on this 15-minute gap, and we kept going higher. There really showed no signs of reversal from there, and in my opinion, we were still aiming towards those 1 a.m. highs. That's just the strongest draw. I mean, London highs. It's a session high, 1 a.m. high, 4 hour fair value gap. Like, it's just all stacked confluences. It was too good to not take buys, right? So we have this 30-second gap that we previously rejected once. And then we come down, we reject it again. No close in the fair value gap at all, right? Was just looking for a close above this fair value gap right here. This bearish fair value gap, right? So I was looking for a close above that and a close above this previous candle high. We got that on a massive displacing candle, right? I entered this, literally was in this trade for 13 seconds. This was my exact entry and exact close. So we caught 21.75 points, as you can see, 24,929 right there, 24,929. And yeah, that's literally it. I'll show you guys my P&L on the week. So first week on the funded, we are up on the week. We had this really bad day right here. But that was literally Asia session. I have not lost on AM session on the Express account. So I'm not going to trade Asia. I'm just going to keep trading AM. It's really unfortunate what happened here. I was unable to trade Wednesday AM, so I was like, oh, let me trade Asia. It didn't work out, you know. But that's just how it goes sometimes. But as you can see, this trade that I took today, $430, $7 commission fee, $422, right? It lasted 13 seconds. That is insane. I don't think I've ever had a trade that short. I think that's the shortest trade I've ever taken in my life. It's crazy, right? The other trades that I've had, 26 seconds, a minute 12. Like, even that 26-second one. Like, I've just had so many quick trades recently because the volume's been so crazy. Like, the range on the 5-minute today at the 8:30 candle was like something ridiculous. Like, here's the 8:30 candle. It's like over 100 points. I mean, it's insane. Like, all I need is 45. You know, I just need a 45 point range and I'm good. But 100, I mean, that's even better. So yeah, market has been very very good recently. The government opening up probably helped that. For whatever reason. But yeah, I mean we're really cruising towards this payout. We're gonna get this payout really really soon. Um, we have 3 winning days, as you can see on here. These are all over $150. So we have 3 winning days. We need 2 more winning days. So I'm looking. I can't even believe I'm saying this, to request a payout next week. Wow, what a voice crack. But yeah, I'm looking to request a payout next week. Hopefully we can just have 2 green days next week and request like a $500 payout. That'd be ideal. I know that's not the biggest buffer, but I'm just trying to get on the board in a sense, right? Like I'm trying to get that feeling of that first payout, just kind of know that I can do it, right? And then I mean, trading is just a return on investment game, right? I spent $200 on these accounts. If I can turn $200 into $500, perfect, right? I'm not losing anything. I'm actually gaining $300, right? Then I can use that $300, buy 2 more Express accounts, and now I'm copy trading 3, and then we just scale from there. Right. So it's looking really really good. This would have been a massive week if we had not had this red day. But I take full responsibility for it. It's my fault. Nothing you can do about it though. It's in the past. Been trading extremely well. I love this model that I'm trading. Just catching 20 points every day. That's all you need. 20 points keeps the I don't know what they say. 20 points a day keeps the like something away. I don't know. Keeps the bills away or something. I don't know. Something like that. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'll see you guys Monday. Have a good week.